Welcome to Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to show you this approved used 2018 on a 67 plate Audi RS5 Coupe Quattro in Misano red pearlescent paintwork. Now this vehicle is an approved used car set, is available with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. To start off with, let's take a full 360 degree tour around this stunning RS5. So starting at the front, we have these super bright matrix LED headlights to illuminate any obstacles on the road in front of you. Then looking down at these alloy wheels, now these are the 20-inch 5-arm trapezoid design alloy wheels, and these look really stylish, especially with those red brake calipers sat behind them there. And these perfectly complement that lovely red paintwork. Now standing back, we do have privacy glass at the rear, which means that any rear occupants are protected from the sun, and it also means that any items you have in the back are hidden from view. Now looking in the rear, we do have two spacious seats. Both of them have ISOFIX points. This is the perfect family car. You can also fold them down as well. 20, 40, 40. And then looking down there, we do have as well our third climate control vent, as well as a 12-volt socket, perfect for plugging in any accessories in the rear. Now to get the seat back, as these seats are electric, all you have to do is push this button and the seat will revert back to the position it was in originally. And then you just fold the seat rest back. And then you're sorted. Well, looking to the rear, we have the LED rear lights with the dynamic rear indicators, which as well as looking really stylish, are really functional and mean that you remain visible at all times. Then looking in the very large boot of the vehicle by popping open the tailgate, you can see that there's plenty of space in there for those suitcases, also for those golf clubs. And once the rear seats are folded, you can also get larger and longer items in there as well. And as you can see, we do also have as well some handy storage in the side with a net. You can also attach a net to the floor as an accessory by using those hooks, and that means you can tether down those smaller items. Now coming down to the side of the vehicle, we do have the advanced key with the keyless entry system, as this vehicle does have the optional comfort and sound pack. So you just tap the pad on the door and the mirrors fold to indicate the vehicle is locked. Then you just have to grab the door handle as long as the key is on your person. Then looking inside, we've got this absolutely stunning silver trim finisher in here, which really complements his black interior very nicely. Speaking of which, we do have these stunning black leather seats that do also have the red stitching, which once again ties in really nicely with the whole black and red theme of this vehicle. And looking down here, we have full electric adjustment, including electric lumbar support and also the massage function. And as part of the optional comfort and sound pack, we do also get the Bang & Olufsen surround sound system, perfect for those audio files, and we do have as well a 2-person memory on that driver's seat there. Perfect if you've got more than one person driving the vehicle on a regular basis. So that completes our initial 360 degree walk around of this 2018 Audi RS5. For more information, contact us now on 01785 899 417. For the next part of this video, let's take a more in-depth look inside this RS5 at some of the technology that's on offer in this stunning coupe. So we do have the electrically adjustable heated and power folding door mirrors, which is great for those tighter parking spaces, and the heating elements are a godsend on those frosty mornings. Then we do have as well this 3-spoke leather wrap multifunction flat bottom steering wheel, so all the important controls are right at your fingertips. So on the left we've got the controls for Audi's virtual cockpit, which is our digital dash. Behind that we've got our downshift there for the Tiptronic gearbox for that ultimate driving feel. We also have our cruise control and speed limiter, which is great for those longer drives. Then looking over to the right hand side, we've got our radio controls as well as our voice control and our nav button there. And then behind that we do also have our downshift paddle there, also for the Tiptronic gearbox. Sat behind that, we've got Audi's virtual cockpit, which is our digital dash screen, and you can look at some of the vehicle settings. You can have a look at your Bluetooth, radio, basically your music options there. You can also have a look at your telephone as well as your map screen, and you can also change the size of those dials to make it feel truly personalised and exactly what you're looking for. As you can see as well, this is a very clear display. Then looking over above that, you can see there, this vehicle does also come with the optional heads-up display, which can be changed in the settings, and this can also be lowered and raised, which is perfect for keeping your eyes on the road and just makes driving that bit safer. Now over to the left, we've got our central infotainment screen. This is controlled via a wheel down near the gear selector, and we have on there our smartphone interface, so you can connect your phone up to your vehicle, which is very easy to use and just makes it that bit simpler. We have our map as well, and alongside that we have our navigation, so home is never far away. We have our telephone for those important business calls on the way home. We have our media there via Bluetooth or USB. We also have our long list of digital audio broadcasting radio stations. There are plenty to choose from, so you should never be short of anything to listen to. And then looking back, we go over into our car setting, and we have Audi's famous Drive Select. So if you want to go for more of a relaxed drive, you can put the vehicle in comfort, whereas if you want to feel the power of that RS5, you can put it in dynamic or individual mode and select the options for yourself in the latter. Now, as another optional extra on this vehicle, we do have the rear view camera, which is perfect for spotting any obstacles to the rear of the vehicle. We do also have as well the front and rear parking sensors, so this car is very safe, especially when you're trying to park this stunning beast. Now, also in our car setting there, we do have the seat massage function, so you can choose from a variety of different options there. You can also choose the intensity of the seat massage and exactly where it's coming from, and this just is perfect on those drives home from work, especially if you've had a long and stressful day. Looking underneath that then, we've got the front controls for our 3-zone climate control, which means that both front passengers can be completely different temperatures, and those in the back can also be a different temperature to them. You can also synchronise the entire system should you desire, and you can also operate the opening system there for the vents. And this vehicle does also feature as well the heated front seats, which is perfect for those chilly winter mornings on those drives to work. Now below that then, we've got a 12-volt socket, perfect for any accessories. We also have a USB socket for charging your mobile devices. We've got twin cup holders, which are very spacious and are also illuminated at night. And then behind that, we've got the control wheel and the pre-selected buttons there for our central infotainment screen, so you can quickly get to things such as your nav or your media. You also have your 8 pre-programmable buttons, so you can save things such as certain screens on the vehicle that you like. Here we have our volume control as well as our seek track and turning the sound system off entirely. And next to that, we have the party piece. We have our Tiptronic gearbox controller, so you can knock it over into manual mode there if you don't want to use the paddles behind the steering wheel. And this just gives you that extra sporty driving feel, which of course you're going to want if you're buying an RS5. Looking behind that, we've got a sliding centre armrest here, which can be fixed at several different height positions, meaning you can find that truly comfortable driving position. We also have there Audi's phone box with a wireless charging, and behind that then we do have a second USB socket and alongside an auxiliary port. This storage area can also be used to hide your wallet or keys, which you wish to remain hidden from view. So that completes our look today at this 2018 approved used Audi RS5. For more information, to get a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive with us, contact us now on 01785 899 417. And as an approved used vehicle, this car does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you at Stafford Audi very soon.